Hi, welcome to the channel. I'm Avalon, your overage specialist avatar. We will share great tips, strategies, experiences, learning opportunities, tools, and so much more for the advancement of your overage education. Make sure you subscribe to the channel for updates and be sure to share. Now, there are a few things you should be aware of before you get started in the overage business. The overages business is not an easy one. It takes tenacity, commitment, and a determination to follow through with each task. You cannot cut corners, skip steps, or bypass the process. We want you to succeed, so stay committed. The overages business is a great opportunity for many reasons. You don't need to acquire the property. You don't need to rent or rehab the property. You don't need to view a property. You don't need a loan or credit. You can do this business from your home. You get a lump sum cash payment, generally in the form of a check. You can quickly get to your financial freedom faster. If you are looking to supplement your income or replace it, this is a great place to start with little or no startup costs. Enjoy your stay here, and if there is a topic you want to see covered, just let us know in the comments. Thanks again for visiting. Come back again soon.